Hi, welcome back to Tech Stuff. In this video I'm going to tell you how to install iOS 15. As we all know, iOS 15 has been released by Apple in this WWDC, and if you're interested in installing iOS 15 on day one from developer beta and you are not a developer, then I'm going to help you. Without a further delay, let me start. So there are some precautions you should take and some things you should check before installing your iOS 15 update in your iPhone. The first thing you should check is that your iPhone is listed in this list of supported iPhones. If your device is in this list, and if your iPhone is supported with iOS 15, then you are ready to roll. The first thing you must check is you must be connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection for downloading this update. The second thing you have to check is you do not have a pre-installed iOS beta profile in your iPhone. To check that, just go to settings. In settings, scroll down to general. In general, you have go to profiles. In profiles, you have to check that make sure that there's no iOS profile pre-installed in your iPhone. If there's one, then just remove it and restart your iPhone, then continue the process I'm going to tell you. Let's begin the process of installing iOS 15 developer beta. The first thing you have to do is just go to Safari. On Safari, you have to type in betaprofiles.com. Make sure the spelling, the words, everything should be correct for reaching to correct website. After that, just go to this website and scroll down and go to iOS 15 developer beta. Here you have to tap on install profile button. When you tap on this button, there will be a pop-up on your iPhone asking you to install this, allowing this profile to be installed on your iPhone. So you have to press allow for that. After pressing allow, there will be another pop-up showing you that your profile has been downloaded on your iPhone and you can locate it in settings of your iPhone. After that, just close that, go to your home screen and now go to settings. After going to settings, there will be a profile option below your Apple ID. Just in settings, just opening setting, nothing else in settings. And if you are not getting your profile option here, then you go to general. After that, in general, you have to scroll down to profiles, and in profiles you will get the iOS 15 developer beta profile. Here in iOS 15 developer beta profile, you have to click on that. After clicking on that, you have to tap on install on the top right corner of your iPhone. After tapping on install, this will ask you to enter your passcode if you have any. Just enter your passcode. After that, you have to tap on install button on the top right corner again. When you press this button, there will be a pop-up from the bottom of your iPhone. So on the bottom, tap on install button. After tapping on install button, you are almost done. Now this will ask you to restart your iPhone. So what you have to do, just press the restart button. This will restart your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, just press on settings. After going to settings, just scroll down to general. In general, you have to tap on software updates. In software updates, you will see iOS 15 developer beta profile has been done. You are enrolled in this, and now you can download the iOS 15 developer beta on your iPhone. So make sure that this may be risky for your personal use iPhone, your primary device. So I recommend you to install it on your secondary device if you really want to test it before it releases, or you should, if you are aware about risks, then you can install it on your primary devices. But if you are not, then you should wait for public beta or the official release. So here we are. You have to now, everything is almost done. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection, and now tap on download and install button. Now enter your passcode and you are all set. This will download iOS 15 profile. After that, this will restart and you are on iOS 15. Congrats. Thank you for your precious time. Catching you guys in the next one.